Next, I will be talking about the normal Th2 response, which deals with humoral immunity. You can just turn there so that the lovely audience can see that. Wonderful. Turn a little bit more. All right. Excuse the technical difficulties. However, we are going to talk about the humoral response. The humoral response specifically deals with our B cell. Your B cell has your B cell receptor, which attaches to your antigen. Now, we have a normal Th2 response. Normally, the antigen will attach to the B cell via a B cell receptor, and then what it's going to do is that the antigen is going to get digested. There's supposed to be little pieces over there if you can see that. And the antigen is actually going to be presented by MHC2 right here, okay? Now, after attachment, when it's presented on MHC2, it's actually going to present to a helper T cell. That's your helper T cell right there, okay? Your helper T cell has a glycoprotein called CD4, and that CD4 is also going to connect or communicate with the MHC2, as well as your TCR, which is your T cell receptor. Your T cell receptor is what needs to match with your MHC2. When you have a good match, your cell is actually activated. When activation occurs, cytokines are released. You have the release of cytokines, and then you get proliferation and differentiation. So basically, after proliferation and differentiation, some of the cells die, and then some of them live on for memory purposes. Now, your B cells that actually proliferate and differentiate, some of them actually secrete antibodies, and that's how we get our humoral response, the antibodies that fight off our infection. And that is our Th2 response, our normal Th2 response. Next, LaShawn will talk about our Th1 response.